weather is in the Kimball County area and KIMBN Network Blogspot is on top of it. From the Kimball Storm Center, this is a breaking weather update protected by State Farm Insurance. Visit them at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. Here is the special weather report. Special weather report. A high wind watch is in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday afternoon. West winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour is possible for in Nebraska Banner County, Kimball County, and northern Sioux County. In Wyoming, Niobrara County, East Laramie County, and Goshen County from Tuesday morning through Tuesday afternoon. Impacts are mainly to transportation. Strong cross winds will be hazardous to lightweight or high-profile vehicles, including campers and tractor-trailers. A high wind watch means there is the potential for a hazardous high wind event. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or stronger may occur. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. Also, a fire weather watch is in effect from late tonight through Tuesday afternoon for fire weather zones 417, 418, 430, 431, 432, 433, 434, 435, 436, and 437. The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a fire weather watch, which is in effect from late tonight through Tuesday afternoon. The affected areas are fire weather zones 434, 435, 436, 437, 417, 418, 430, 431, 432, and 433. Winds in the morning could be southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour becoming west 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour possible in the late morning and afternoon. Humidity could be 13 to 20%. Very low humidity recoveries are possible early in the morning. The highest threat is just east of the Laramie Range across southeast Wyoming and the Interstate 25 corridor. Very low humidity recoveries for this time of the year are expected as winds quickly increase above criteria as early as 6 a.m. Impacts are any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A fire weather watch means that critical fire weather conditions are forecast to occur. Listen for later forecasts and possible red flag warnings. A high wind watch begins at 9 a.m. tomorrow Tuesday morning and will continue until 6 p.m. tomorrow Tuesday evening. A fire weather watch begins at 5 a.m. tomorrow Tuesday and will continue until 6 p.m. tomorrow Tuesday evening. Stay tuned for additional updates. This significant weather update is protected by Joe Mejia of State Farm Insurance of Kimball Insurance located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball.
Caitlin Clark from the logo!
You know, life would be easier if I could do everything from the logo.
Allow me to assist.
Pickles. It worked! Buckets. Now that's a tomato. Sheboygan.
The answer is Sheboygan.
They match. P-E-Z-O-L. Bottom row?
From the logo.
State Farm with the assist.
Contact Joe Mejia of State Farm at 308-230-2200. You can also visit Joe Mejia Insurance Agency Incorporated online at kimballinsurance.net. Open hours are Tuesday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and closed Friday through Monday. Also open evenings and Saturdays by appointment. We are located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball next to H&R Block.